Why don't you? always felt boring, and I don't know why I'm still in love, yeah. Never cared nothing. You said that you had no time for that. And when I made a plan, you always felt boring, and I don't know why I'm still in love, yeah. You never cared about kids, never cared nothing.
Yo, what's good, chat? That made me laugh, Eugene. Eugene, that song is not a good intro song. Chat, how are we all doing today on this lovely, lovely morning? What's good? How's everyone doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the stream. Hopefully you all had a good day yesterday. Hopefully you had a good morning today as well. How's everyone doing there? Let me know, let me know. Might have to change my hoodie real quick. It's hot outside. For once. Welcome though, chat. Welcome back. Let me send the Zoom link. Wow, I actually remembered this time, eh? Crazy, huh? Crazy. Morning PC, morning Jay, Malinko, Tommy Zhang, what's good? Eugene. What's good, everyone? What's good? How are we all doing today? What's good, Spion? What's good? What's good? What's good? Cool, chat. So, it is a Tuesday. It definitely is a Tuesday, right? Yeah, it is. Cool. So today is the last day of April, which means it's the last day of the monthly candle, right? In turn, that makes sense. Now, that gives us a bit of an interesting predicament because the weekly candle is going to be open for another 4 days pretty much, but the monthly candle will close in about 13 hours. So essentially, we're looking to see where we close on this monthly candle right now. Are we going to close bullish still, or are we going to push down finally on this daily and close? I mean, bearish is difficult, but are we going to reject here and close weak bullish, or what? Obviously, either way, we're still making all-time highs on the monthly candle. But yeah, so that's something to take into account. Now, on the weekly here, we've come up and grabbed the top wick and flipped back down yesterday. So realistically, looking at the weekly candle, could we be looking to continue down and fill this wick? Yes, I would say. And obviously, if we were going to push up, we'd expect that monthly candle to give us a bottom wick too. So overall, I would say we need to come down a little bit here. But the only thing that is stopping me from being so certain on that right now is the fact that we have closed respecting on the previous daily. So even though we closed bearish, we did close respecting this overall support level here at 23.33. Now, this is the level that we were looking to take buys off of yesterday, which unfortunately did not play out. But yeah, so the interesting thing with this is obviously we've tapped into the higher levels, but we did close respecting this support. So does that mean that now we can continue to flip up on the daily, or are we just going to drive down and continue this this push overall? I would say the next thing we need to look at on the 4-hour time frame is the fact that we're sat in almost an overall range here between 23.42 and, well, you can either say a wider range down here at 23.03, or we can look up here at 23.15. So either way, we're sat in a bit of a range right now, and I don't like when gold does this in a 4-hour range because it's very unpredictable in terms of price, right? Luckily, we're coming close to the bottom of the range, so if we can come and close below there, that's going to be ideal. But that is the overall 4-hour levels. Now, if we drop to the 1, what can we see? Well, on the 1 hour, it's a similar sort of level. I can't lie. We could either look to take positions on a closure below here, which I think is very possible, right? If we look left, I think we have to look a little bit further left, or was that it? Nah. Okay, it was. Yeah, so if we look left, I mean, there's nothing. But realistically, we've respected this level a number of times. So if we did close below that level at 23.18, then we could be good to continue down to the next range here at 23.13. And then that's going to bring us down to that 4-hour range that we just discussed below there. But question is, do we need to grab liquidity first? This 1 hour has opened up with no top wick. So, okay, we decided to just drive right now. That's interesting, but yeah, let's see what happens. So if we get closures there, then we can look to take some positions. In terms of buys, I believe we're going to have to look somewhere. Going to be up here, I believe, at around 23.33.9. That's the same area we were looking for yesterday, I believe. But yeah, that's the main level overall, I'd say. So obviously we could probably narrow it down, but I want to be clear with buys. If we're going to take buys, right, we need to understand that the daily is beginning to flip and all that sort of stuff. Otherwise, I don't know. There's a very high potential that we get caught in a similar trade to yesterday, and I'm not particularly trying to do that again. So, yeah. Let me take trades taken off, because you like tell me to take it off when it's a win. So when it's a loss, I can take that off too. But cool, chat. Cool. So that's going to be the golden analysis for the day. If we do close strongly below here on the hourly in about 33 minutes, we'll look to take some sales down here below 23.18. If not, then we'll wait for that next closure. But yeah, I think that's what we're going to be looking for. Makes sense, chat? Hopefully it does for you guys. Hopefully it does. If I drop to the 30, what are we looking at? Yeah, the 30 is just a bit choppy, I can't lie. Yeah, if I want to take it on the 30, it's going to have to be way below here. Because this is all just chop for the 30 minutes, so... I have to wait for that hourly closure, but that gives me an opportunity to talk to you guys. Get to know how you've been doing. And yeah, how have you been doing, guys? What's going on? Hopefully you had a good morning, good day yesterday. And yeah, by the way, chat, if you did enjoy the analysis, make sure you leave a like on the stream. Very, very important. We are coming close to that 2k subs mark. Very, very close. You guys, we're all sluggish today. Breathe, coffee, and lock in. Bro, yeah. I felt that this morning, I can't lie, but... all good, we move. Rafatashion, good morning. Chris Roy, good morning. What's good, Craig, Goldie, how are you all doing? Vihan, good morning, bro. Cool, chat, nice to see you all here. Good stuff. Up, Sexy. Mark, Tommy, what's good? Dan, how you doing, bro? Did you get a trade yesterday in the New York session make a little back from the loss, question mark? No, I didn't see anything that I liked. Yeah, New York session yesterday was a bit interesting. Price was moving very, very strangely, so no, I didn't take anything. It was only a small loss as well, so I'm not worried about like making that back at the minute. That comes with time, right? That comes with time. Emil, what's good? Hello. Morning, bro. What's good? I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. How about you, William? Good morning. Big day today, though, chat. There's some red folders coming later on in New York session, so that's something to be careful of. What are we looking at here? We have unemployment cost index, and then consumer confidence. Sorry, not unemployment cost index, employment cost index. So these two are pretty minor red folders. I don't think they'll do like a massive, I don't think they'll have a massive impact, but we'll see. And then you got NFP, then you got PMI, job openings, then FOMC on Wednesday. So Wednesday is absolutely huge for news. Absolutely huge. So realistically, be careful for that. Sorry, late to stream. You got an analysis now? Yeah, just rewind about 10 minutes. Not even, about 5 minutes. I know, you'll see it. We literally just finished the analysis. Good shit though. Welcome, Alpha. Welcome. Mark, 30-minute closure. Do we look for positions? 30-minute close, no bottom wicks, which is tough. And also, this range in the 30 is a bit too choppy. I'd rather take it in the hourly. It's way less chop. So, yeah, that makes more sense to me. Yeah, chat, we got a load of positive feedback yesterday on sharing the win on story and stuff like that. Like transparency, apologies, and stuff like that, which is great. So, you know, that shows, you know, that we have a great community building here. I literally got no negative comments after taking that loss yesterday. Absolutely none, which is, you know, rare, I'd say. I see you check out the news on Forex Factory. Have you ever tried Fastball? No, I never have. Never have. I don't know what that is. W loss? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Crazy the chat. There is a lot of potential for today. The volume's been kicking in as well during London, as we saw yesterday, right? So a lot of potential for us. I would say that hang on, let me turn this music down a little bit in my ear. It's a bit distracting. Turn it up for you guys, but down in my ear. I'd say there's a lot of potential for positions due to the volume in New York. Sorry, in London. There's a lot of you know, like maybe a month ago, somewhere around there, we had like no positions for almost like 2-3 weeks because there was absolutely no volume in London. Now the complete opposite's changed, right? We've got a lot of volume during London, a lot of you know, movement, which is great. So that's going to give us more positions over time. Did you take anything after the loss yesterday? No, nothing. Absolutely nothing. You're respected, man. I appreciate it, Luke. Mate, what do you think is taking over, the weekly or daily? The weekly is bearish, but if I look on the daily, it's still bullish. What do you think? Yeah, this is the question, Dan. This is the question. So you have to probably think that the weekly is going to be stronger than the daily, right? That's what you have to presume. But the issue is the weekly will take more time to make its move than the daily will. So potentially we could see the daily continue bullish here, and then the weekly make that move. But I just don't see why we would reflip on the weekly right now. Like, you are completely right. Like I said as well in the analysis, realistically, our level is here on the daily, right? Our level is at 23.33 for the daily support. We've closed above that twice now. And now we're grabbing liquidity again. So if this started to flip, you'd expect us to push upwards. However, when you look at the weekly, all we're seeing is a bearish closure with a top wick and a flip down. And a wick to fill, right? You'd expect that wick to get filled. Which means you have a little bit of a contrasting bias here, which is when you need to be a little bit careful. What I would say with that is, the key thing is just to take dead set positions, right? And I don't mean dead set as in, you know, it's guaranteed to win, but I mean a position where you don't have any doubts in your mind regarding the analysis. So if you're a little bit confused, or if you're thinking that maybe someone else could play a factor, then just stay out. Yeah, realistically, you know, it could go either way today, I believe. It could go either way, especially with news and all of that stuff. It could go either way. But you know, we're gonna have to wait and see. I can't tell you which one's taking over right now, because, you know, I don't really know. No liquidity to drive down. No, I disagree. We have liquidity from here, and we have also, you know, we've come up and grabbed liquidity in general, right? This is all of this, even though we have candle closures, is still a liquidity grab. We've grabbed orders from up here. Like, candle closures still can be a liquidity grab. So there's definitely potential for us to drive down. And also, at the minute, there's so much liquidity in the gold market because of the current events and the war and all this stuff that we're not needing like big liquidity grabs before making moves. That's not really what we're you know, requiring right now. But it's just interesting. It's just something we've got to keep an eye on, you know, take into account, and yeah, just try and be safe when we take positions. What's good, Atomic Habit? What's good, Max? How we doing? W, man, appreciate that, bro. Yeah, chat. It's gonna be interesting. I feel like it is going to be a very interesting week. A lot of people are going to blow accounts this week. A lot of people might make a lot of money this week, though. Obviously, that's how it goes, right? When you have a lot of blown accounts, you have a lot of people making money. And when you have a lot of people making a lot of money, and a lot of people are blowing accounts. Because I said the word a lot there very many times. But yeah, We've got 23 minutes to this 1 hour closure now. Same thing again today though, chat. We're gonna push the stream back. You know, we'll stay on for longer if we need to. Obviously there's been a big influx of us getting positions ever since I started staying on till 11ish, 12ish. So yeah, more than happy to do that for you guys every day. I enjoy it. It's a bit of fun. And yeah. Why is gold moving down even though the dollar is not moving that much? Because it's not necessarily, you know, that they will both move at the same time. Obviously, we're trading gold against the dollar, right? But if the dollar's not moving, the DXY is not moving, then that must mean that something to do with gold is changing. So, for example, I don't know, when the dollar goes up, let's say because of news or inflation rates or whatever it is, that automatically pushes gold down. But if something happens with gold, like, I don't know, they find a new gold deposit or a new gold mining company releases new technology, whatever it is, right? Something happens specifically with gold, that's not going to change the price of the dollar because, you know, it just won't. The gold can move without the dollar moving. And also sometimes they move at different times, right? I believe, what is it? The DXY, does gold lag against the DXY or the other way around? Can't remember which one it is, but one of them is a lagging pair. I don't know. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is they can move separately. I've got so much content filmed right now. I need to edit it. So if you guys know any editors for daily vlogs, give me a shout, because realistically, I'm going to try and pump out 2-3 a week. I'm speaking to some editors right now, but I don't know. I found one who's quite good, but I don't know. There's something missing there. Hello, good morning or good evening to the aspirant gold traders here for free quality and valuable education out there. May you all have a great learning from this great guy. Let's go, Creed. Appreciate you, bro. Always coming in with the most wholesome messages. Appreciate it. But yeah, guys, if you don't know any editors for relatively cheap, then shout me. I also I woke up hungry today. I never really wake up hungry. I'm always like, I always fast in the morning, right? But I woke up hungry today. I don't know why. Still haven't eaten though. You are welcome, SG. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, chat, we're gonna hit 2K today. 100%. I don't see how we wouldn't, realistically. What do you want to do with editing, SG? What would be the length of your videos? I don't know, 10 to 20 minutes, probably, daily vlogs. They don't need to be like crazy editing. Just clip it up, do some color grading, and then yeah, put it on YouTube. Or send it to me, I mean. Because at this point, like, obviously I'm filming all the content, but I don't really have the time to edit. Editing YouTube videos takes a shitload of time. Taking a few weeks off the game. I'll be back before my birthday next month. I'll be on streams though. Oh, all good, Renko. All good. Hopefully everything's good with you. That you're taking a few months off. Hopefully nothing bad happened. You need to DM me. You know where I am. You know I always got you in DMs, don't worry. Or your budget be per 20-minute video? I don't know, bro. I don't know. We need to work something out. I'd rather pay like a full-time editor monthly. Do like 2 to 3 vids a week. But DM me if you want. We'll talk about that. I don't want to bore people with this. Cool, chat. Good stuff. So, we're coming down to fill this range right now, which is interesting. 4 hour, still no real top wick. Interesting. SGB all up in those DMs. Yes, sir. I'm a bit of a DM fiend. Crazy. I don't know why I said that. But I do answer every single DM I get, so that's what I meant. Crazy. Chat, remember, as always, if you haven't already, drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to try to get the free course episodes coming out very soon as well. I know I've been a little bit behind on them, but I've been so busy, chat, I can't lie. Really, really busy. What are we looking at here? Bit of a tough level. Technically, that's a good level there. Let's see if we can use this level as buyers now that we've come down. If this 1 hour candle was to flip up, we'd be... Yeah, that's a nice level. We'll use that. Morning, bro. Don't want to be in these cells, not gonna lie. Yeah, it's not ideal at the minute. We need to close below this range here. And this is what I was saying about the 4 hour, right? We need to close below this 4 hour overall range if we are going to come down. Because at the minute, we're just going to be stuck in a higher time frame range. And we're coming in to tap the bottom of this range now. So the question is, are we going to reject here? Or not? Simple. Simple, right? If we start to reject here, then we know that we're going to continue to range. We can look to maybe take onion buys, like Crypto Maniac said. Other than that, though, yeah, I don't want to be taking buys just like down here. Good question though, Creed, but yeah, I'm not sure. I'd rather wait till a closure below and then take that position because yeah, it's just a bit tough. Can't lie. We'll see though. I wonder if we'll have less people come to the stream today after that trade yesterday. I doubt it though. I doubt it. But yeah, chat, a lot of potential. So we've got 15 minutes this 1 hour close. Realistically, how much range do we have to the bottom of this? Yeah, there's enough range. We should come and tap the bottom of this range at least at 23.13. Question is though, is this support going to play a part? I'm not too much of a fan of taking sales whilst we've got that big area just there on the 4 hour. Still here. What's good, Handai? How we doing? How we doing? But yeah, chat. Crazy. I can't wait for all this content to come out that I've got going. I'm literally cooking, guys. I'm cooking. I'm also gonna vlog the my trip to Italy over the weekend. I'm literally just going for a weekend, so I'll just vlog it. Why not? Be a nice little insight as well. Nice little insight. Just see that if it taps 12.5, it could get a strong push to 15. Quick 25 pips, but Crypto Maniac also has a point. Yeah, I mean, it could, but what's stopping it from driving through as well? Yeah, it could be a falling knife, 100%. Because realistically, you could have tried that here, and then it would have driven all the way down to, what? 23.05, 23.04, that's 75 pips. You would have been stuck in, so, you know, gotta be careful. Yeah, always try and be careful with catching that knife. Yeah, cool. So weird. We're just pushing no wicks here. Very interesting. So the 15's opened here. We're going to have to wait and see here, chat. We're going to have to wait for some closures. I can't lie. It's going to be the 1 hour closure though in 13 minutes. So we'll wait for that. Issue is now though, if we do close below this, we're going to have to wait for a close below this level, by the way, chat, now. Purely because, actually, wait. Let me see. Blind doing here. Is this the 4 hour level here as well? Let me see. If it is. Yeah, it is. Okay, that's gonna be the level then, instead of this one here. Because this is just a fake out. Gives us a decent advantage point. If we did close below there, but we have to be careful here, chat, because firstly, stops are huge. Secondly, this could be a liquidity grab to continue upwards, 100%. So we need to wait and see on this. I hate the no top wicks coming down. I feel like we need a big top wick breaking some highs before moving lower. But gold is gold, so it'll do whatever. Yeah, you're right. You're right. It would be nice, 100%, but you know, we'll wait and see. Trend line's nothing wrong. I just feel like I'm off my game. I'm not as sharp as I should be. It's just a small rest period. Yeah. Nah, all good, man. That's fine. That mental like refreshness and all of that is you know, really good for a trader. If you can do that, then yeah, great. Go and take a week or two off and you know, refresh your mentality. Not a bad thing at all. Just make sure you're focused on something else. Don't just be slacking. But I know you won't be. We're in a large time frame range. We made lower highs yesterday, so we need more liquidity for another leg higher. I'd rather wait for a level of market structure shift and a flip up. Yeah, I think you're right. We actually ended up making a lower high yesterday rather than a higher high. I think, which is interesting. Like realistically, you know, I suppose you can look at it two ways, but let me get my tools out. Obviously, you can see this, right? Overall structure that's a lower high right there. Or you can see, you know, this, and then you're looking at a higher high. But now we came down here and made a lower high. So is that a market structure shift to the downside? Potentially, right? Especially if we come and close below this level, then that's an even bigger market structure shift. Do you know what I mean? But we'll wait and see on that. We'll wait and see. You see my chart, you moved your level to where I had mine. Yeah, I got a camera in your room, bro. Actually, just trade off your screen. See though, chat, exactly like we said, right? We started to reject at this level just now. That's exactly what we're talking about. This 4 hour level is very, very strong, right? It's also, you know, 1 hour levels, but essentially it's the higher time frame level, and we started to reject off that just now, which is great. That's exactly what we wanted to see. We can start to push up here, then we can look at taking some buys, but we need some strong closures before that happens. Trend lines, I see downtrend for the week, but news coming up. Mixed sentiment, I believe. Thoughts? I don't know what news is going to do, to be honest. I've got no clue. News could push us up, could push us down, either way. But yeah, there is mixed sentiment because the weekly and daily bias are conflicting right now, in my opinion. So yeah, there's definitely a bit of a mixture here. Lone Trader, what's good? What's good, what's good? What's good, Hugh? Shalom. Got an aggressive sell like 20 minutes ago and grabbed 15 pips. Move break even really fast. Nice, bro. GG's. Nice, chat. Yeah, I'm super tired today. I don't know why. I got a double shot. Yeah, let's see the guys. I've got a big bench day later, which I'm very excited for. I'm gonna film that as well. Should be good. And see if I can fail 150 again. Tried to hit 150 on the weekend, guys. 150 kilogram bench, and didn't move. Didn't move. 140 ripped though. 140 ripped for. Wait, did I get 140 for 2? I don't know if I did. Maybe it was just for 1, but it moved. Same. Good shit, Spear. Good shit. A 150 kg bench would be sick. Can't lie. Double shot espresso. Empty a capsule of lion's mane. Rocket fuel. Yeah, that's not a bad shout, actually. Actually, where are these nootropics? I'm taking some nootropics. I'm not going to show you guys the brand yet because, well, I'm trying to work something out with them, but I don't know if they... I think they work, but I need to test them out before I show you guys. I'll show you the brand, JK. Taking my now cut. Yeah, I'm going to give them a go right now. We're going to be locked in here, chat. Be locked in. Oh, wait. Which way? Chat, do I need a trim? No, I think we're looking alright, actually. We're looking alright. Alright, cool. If we fail to hold this level, I see us tapping 2311. Yeah, I agree, but it looks like we're rejecting quite heavily here. Well, they don't taste very good though, I can't lie. They have lion's mane in them? Am I tripping? Yeah, they do. Crazy. Yeah, I want this level to hold. Yeah, a nice little strong closure above here on the 1 hour would be great, above 2318. Question is, can we do that though or not? I feel like we need some volume to kick in here. Like we discussed the other day though, it comes in normally around 10ish. But it comes in waves in London session, I've noticed that. It's just like a wave of volume coming in and out. I got a holiday end of this week and I just can't wait to get past it to start my funded lol. Bro, what, you're actually going on a trip? Or what? Because if you're actually going somewhere, then I would say don't wish the time away. You know? Like, realistically, you know, time is an important commodity. And like, as traders, we seem to be very keen to wish time away, you know, like, oh, I can't wait until this happens, or I can't wait until the 4 hour close, or whatever it is, right? But realistically, I don't know, it's not the best way to live. I'm guilty of it too, obviously. I'm not trying to put anyone down, but yeah, going okay. Yeah, going on holiday with my girl. I'm just joking around, bro, lol. Nah, I got you, bro. I know you won't be like super serious, but sometimes I just use these things as an opportunity to make a point. But yeah, where are you going, bro? That's sick. Sick. I'm excited too. I fly out to Italy on Thursday. See my girl, so that's gonna be nice. As I said though, the weather is gonna be shit when I get there, but it's been warm as fuck there the whole week. So annoying. Algarve, nice, bro, nice. That's gonna be nice. It's gonna be warm, little beach. Axel's going Barcelona on Friday. Crazy, good shit. Whole team Trendline's on holiday, eh? No one's gonna be about. No one's gonna be about. Check out Lake Como if you can. Yeah, I've been there. My girl lives in Italy, bro, so I go there quite often. I've been there like a ridiculous amount of times this past year. Probably like 20 times. Nah, like 15. But yeah, I was thinking about that. I'm only there for the weekend though, so it's a bit tough. Thinking about renting a car and driving there, but if it's not gonna be sunny, then you know, I'll be on. Yeah, now good. We come back stronger for the vitamin D. No Diddy. No Diddy. It's ridiculous. No Diddy is outrageous. PC, why is gold been so choppy since that drop from all-time highs? Yeah, Crypto Maniac answered it very clearly. We are consolidating right now. So you see, like, we have periods of consolidation, periods of you know, movement. Let's call it that, just to simplify it. But you know, it's just what the market does. We're grabbing orders, building up some momentum for, you know, building up some liquidity before we gain momentum. You know, you see phases like this all the time. You know, we have a drive. This is probably all one drive, I can't lie. Even all this, actually. Which is not normal, right? This is just one push. And then you see a consolidation period like this. And you see another drive. And then you see a consolidation period. It just so happens that this drive here was just one long continuous push up, which doesn't normally happen, right? It doesn't normally happen. Have you been to Sardinia? I actually haven't. I was meant to, but yeah, I haven't. I think we might though, because I think my girl's parents have a place there. Or someone they know has a place there. I can't remember which one it was. But yeah. Good morning, Baron. How are you doing? Mr. Kareem. Actually looking into Sardinia at the minute. There's a sick-ass villa for like 3k. Crazy. Should we all pull up or what? Should we all pull up? Cat, get this, yeah? Get this. So I was talking to a guy the other day. I'm not going to tell you why. Well, it's nothing. I'm trying to arrange some cool stuff for a trip. And for the community, to be honest. But I was talking to a concierge about trips and everything, and he showed me this villa in Marbella, or it was either Marbella or Ibiza. Bro, this villa was beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, and I was like, oh cool, what's the price looking like for that? And he goes, yeah, this one's 46k a week. Bro, what? 46k a week? I was like, that's not going to be me, I don't think. I think I'll leave it on that one. This was the villa though. Wait, I don't know if you guys can see it properly. I'm so bad at showing things to the camera, but yeah. Like, this was the villa. It was crazy. But yeah, 46k a week, I was like, nah. Probably leave that. Yeah, chat, crazy. Alright, cool. So the 1 hour just closed right now. It closed below, actually, but same play that we've seen before, right? What we've seen is that we've tapped into this level already and rejected heavily. So realistically, I can't take this position right now because, same as always, every time when we tap into that level, reject, and then try and, you know, get that continuation, it doesn't happen a lot of the time. And this was the play that we were talking about sample sizing the other day. We were actually talking about sample sizing buys in this occasion where we do something like that. So where we reject and then, you know, pump up, you know, we were looking at sample sizing buys here, but obviously nothing yet. But look, this could continue to come down and fill the range. We'll see though, we'll see. Odin, what's good? Got my win for the day. Sell at 23.22, 20 pips. Nice, bro. GG's. Big dubs from you. Big dubs from you. On this closure, yeah? Off the rip. Crazy. Yeah, lock in new hour candle. Yeah. Nothing we can do here, though, at the minute, chat. We need a closure below this level now. Otherwise, it's going to be a little bit tough. Maybe 9:30 we'll see a shift. Yeah, normally around that time. 9:30, 10:30. I believe the volume will start to pick up. But realistically, it's difficult for us right now. Purely because, you know, we've rejected off this level very hard. What's stopping us from rejecting again? Nothing, right? Absolutely nothing. We need some clear direction. We need more volume. And yeah, we need to... Essentially, chat, you want to figure out what the move for the day is, right? Obviously, the move for London session seems to... Or Asian session, let's say. Seems to have been this push downwards. But now, what's the move for the rest of the day? We'll see, right? We'll see. I'm going to call it a day, bro. Have to build some discipline. Yeah, Mark, good shit, man. You took a win. You took a win. So, yeah, call it a day. Go do some fun shit. Go see your boys. Go to school or whatever you do. But yeah, just call it, you know. It's always a relief when you don't have to trade for the rest of the day. Because now you're stress-free. I have a level at 2315.7. Yeah, it's not a bad level on the 1. Maybe on the 32. I think the overall level, though, is just a little bit closer to 2315. It's only 7 pips away, right? You may as well just keep it at 2315 for me, personally. Like, this is the overall rejection area. If you look at the hour time frame... It's crazy how quickly this like, you know, community in this stream has changed, right? So we had you know, a lot of new faces, let's say. The old faces are still here, but questions in chat are flowing. The participation is so high. Absolutely love it. Yesterday's trade issue comes when market grabs liquidity second or third time, then comes up. Yesterday's trade was a valid trade. I stand by it. I'll still stand by it. I'll die on that hill. But nah, I'm joking. None of you guys are saying it's not. But yesterday's trade was completely valid. We had no reason to do what we did, realistically. You know, when we ripped down on that 30, just here. Absolutely no reason to do that. It just happened, right? I would still take that trade today, especially since... we started to form this onion here. Our entry was at this point right here. We started to form this onion here. And once this 30-minute close bullish, you know, you're expecting this price to at least come up and drive to 23.44, around that area. So, no, I don't think there was any issue with yesterday's trade at all. I'd still take the same trade today. Absolutely not a problem. Took a win on yesterday's trade, but it took all day. Hey, GG's. That's a big hold from you, bro. But yeah, fair enough. See, like we said, Adam, exactly right. The move that we wanted played out, right? We expected this move to push up to at least this area. Well, our target was actually 23.45, around this area. But we expected this move at least up to here, and it happened. It just so happened that we had to grab a bit more liquidity down here first before that we did that. I presumed that we had enough liquidity, but obviously we didn't, and that's fine. But yeah, the analysis still played out. It just so happened that, you know, we got stopped out before that happened. But we said that on stream as well yesterday. I remember saying very vividly yesterday that this trade will still play out. It's just we might get stopped out first. That's all it is. Oh, chat, look at this little onion play here on the 30. Very interesting. I needed an hourly close probably, or a 30-minute close, strong bullish up here, but we can take that. Trying to look at the mirrors though. This is a very strong mirror of this trade, of this, like, you know, structure here is what I'm trying to say. Every time we've come down to this area, we've started to reject. So can we take advantage of that again, potentially? It's good victory settings. How we doing? We need the wick like last time though. Yeah, 100%. We do. You're right. Especially on the one, it looks a little bit different. But yeah, realistically, we should come down a little bit further and grab that liquidity if we're gonna do that. Yeah, around this. If we're gonna come up here, we need to grab liquidity around these areas here, I believe. In this range between 23.15 and 23.12. We'll see though, we'll see. Huge rejection area this, might see price push from here. Maybe. Every time we have though, we have come down into this area to grab liquidity. Or at least come down to 23.14. To be fair, yeah, no. Around this area. Every single time. Good morning, Abdullah. How you doing, bro? Good morning, good morning. Yeah, cool. Cool. So, I do believe we'll see the volume pick up in around 20 minutes to an hour. 9:30, 10-ish. Should be when the volume begins to pick up. And when it does, we'll look to take some positions, right? Like, obviously, depending on if we have direction and all that stuff, then yeah, we'll look to take something. But at the minute, we need that volume as well, because we're not really moving right now. But yeah, make sure you leave a like, chat. Let's try to get to 100 likes right now. That'd be huge. That'd be huge. Massively appreciate it. It's very early still, but we're pumping it up. And yeah, chat. Look what I've got coming as well. Wait, I want to show you this. Gonna go right here. Be sick. I think it's gonna be really cool. Nice. But yeah, chat. What are you guys up to for the rest of the day? If you're hitting the gym, what are you training? Chest day for me. Chest day, the best day. Hot in this room right now. I might have to go change real quick. Push day for Mr. Eugene. Leg day. Nice. Today's triceps day. Fire. That's cool. Leg day is crazy though. Leg day is tough. I skipped legs yesterday. I can't lie. No, I didn't really skip it. I was meant to have a rest day, and the boys were training legs, so I was like, you know, it's my rest day technically. Hunting grey squirrels today. Crazy. Yeah, you gotta save those red squirrels, mate. Are there even any of them left right now? The red squirrels. It's Tuesday, so I have a 10k to run. Oh, bro, crazy. 10k run. You're always running, man. That's crazy. I'm not much of a runner, I can't lie. I used to a little bit, but I don't find it too fun. One sec, I'm gonna go take this hoodie off and put a t-shirt on because it's a little bit hot in this room. What? We back. What's good? Perfecto. Yeah, chat, we're literally like 40 subs away from 2K. I've got a hair that's coming out. There you go. Yeah, 40 subs away. That's kind of crazy. Are we going to hit it today, though? Remember, if we hit 2K today, I have to do a giveaway. Kind of hoping we're not going to hit it. I can't lie. Nah, I'm joking. What's good, Pradeep? How we doing? Tyler, you worry me sometimes. I can never tell if you're being serious or not. What's good, Badge? How we doing? What's good? Okay, chat, we're starting to push down again here. So, can we grab some closures here? The 4-hour close is the next big thing that's going to happen here. If we closed on the 4-hour below 23.15, that's a serious confluence for me that we're going to continue to push. If we do close below there, that's essentially closing outside of the overall range. And realistically, at that point, you should push down to at least this area here at 23.05. Potentially 23.03. Unless it's a fake out, but obviously we need the top wick and all of that stuff to confirm that the direction. But realistically, once we do close below here, you can see us continuing to push down. What would be really nice is a 4-hour close below, a very strong liquidity grab to the upside, and then a flip down on the 4 would be huge. We can look to take that. The 4-hour close comes in 46 minutes, so we'll wait to see on that one. But yeah, definitely some potential today, guys. I wonder if I'm gonna get another airport trade on Friday, on Thursday. Sorry, that could be interesting. I never thought 2K subs would be so close. Yeah, chat. I reckon the next target, right? The next target is 5K subs. So, if we end up hitting 5K subs by... let's say the end of May, why not? If we hit 5K subs by the end of May, we'll do a big giveaway. What can we do? We'll do like a... I don't know. Do like a monitor or some shit. Or like... I don't know. Something like that. That'd be fire. Little monitor giveaway or something like that. I don't know. 5 times 10K live accounts. Crazy. 50K giveaway. 5K end of May, you have to stream after many magic mushrooms. Definitely not. Because I know I'll have you in there going, nightmare. Tripping me out. Also... actually, not also. I'll be on them too, don't be silly. Okay, alright, we're chilling then. How are we claiming the funded giveaway? I'll figure out how to do that if we hit the subs today. We've got 40 more to go, but I'll figure that out in due course. Growth is insane though, I can't lie. I don't know anyone who's growing this fast, I can't lie. We started streaming in February. Towards the end of Feb, we started streaming, I think. So, 1, 2, twice. Crazy. Yeah. Q and General G are best mates. SG, whoa, goals pushing like crazy. We'll be in the Zoom like SG, your monitor isn't even on, bro. Trust me. Look, whoa, chat, why is there a gorilla in the charts? It's like, nah, you're just seeing things, G. Gold's pushing like crazy and it's like a weekend or some shit. Trust the Python, crazy. Absolutely crazy. That guy's an idiot, man. So funny though. But he's an idiot. He's also definitely a nonce. Sam, did you go up and watch your stream? I don't know. I don't know. When I first started streaming, I told her not to. Don't watch it. Don't watch the streams. And then I think she might have done. To be honest, probably not. She's probably a bit busy. She'd also probably get bored as fuck. I can't lie. And also, I'd be very embarrassed when we're talking about. Yo, Hugh, that's crazy. Hugh. I'm not trying to get kicked here. Venom attacks the weak is ridiculous. We share the same motto. If you said don't watch, she definitely watches to see why you said not to. Basic lady logic. Yeah, you're right. You're right. But no, I don't think so. I don't think so. I think she'd actually listen. Well, yeah, she does listen to me, so we'll be alright. Now Q comes to topic. Crazy. That's the exact reason why I said don't watch it. Good morning, Dion. What's good? What's up, brother? Bro, I love that shit. Sketch and Hugh are related. Yeah, they look the same as well. It's kind of crazy. They both share the same glasses. She might have done it out of curiosity. Yeah, she's not like... I didn't say, like, definitely don't watch it. I just said don't watch the first couple because I didn't want added pressure or whatever. I didn't know how they were going to go. It would have been embarrassing if no one was there, you know? But nah, we're chilling now. She can watch. What's up, brother? Bro, that guy's gone huge. I've never seen someone blow up as quick as him. Like, realistically, he's got to have the quickest rise to fame in internet history. Maybe not, I don't know. Maybe there might be some other people, but at least recently, right? Because, like, he started streaming about 8 months ago. Or something like that. I'm pretty sure he started streaming last year. And now he's on, like, the NFL draft picking players and stuff like that. Or he's, you know, whatever. Crazy. He's on, like, American news and shit. I'm pretty sure you even get on British news somehow. Chat, we're pushing below here, so... If you're... Yeah, no, wait, I'll read that out in a bit. But yeah, we're pushing below. See if we can get a closure here on the 4 hour below this level and then a top wick, and we'll look to take the flip down. That'll be a decent play. We should at least fill the... I don't want to say at least fill the weekly, but... Should at least fill some of these wicks down here. I think 2306 is a decent TP. If you're here, Mrs. Lines. Yeah, I wonder if you're watching. She's just messaged me, so I doubt she's watching, I can't lie. Jinxie basically made him viral, and he's funny as fuck. That's why he blew up so quick. Yeah, you're right. You're right. But still, like, yeah, the dude is funny as. He also can't see a thing, which is crazy. Maybe he's an industry plant. Maybe, but I don't know why. Because an industry plant normally teaches, you know, not, well, unideal stuff, right? An industry plant essentially is someone that comes in and is trying to, you know, continue the agenda, right? You know, like people like Doja Cat and all that, they're telling like saying devilish lyrics and stuff like that. Those are industry plants. But like, I don't know. Getchy's from a rich family though. His parents definitely have money. You know what's crazy money in the influencer world right now is those what are they called? Like draft picks and all of those he lost 20k trading options. Yeah, I know. I heard about that. I watched that podcast. Draft picks and all of those betting apps, right? What's the other one? I think it's that one where you like bet on the players over or under or whatever. Those guys are the influencers for that are making a ridiculous amount of money. Every time you place a bet, it's like they get commission and everything. They're just making huge money. Prize picks, that's what it is, bro. Yeah, good shit. Did I say draft picks? It's Draft Kings, isn't it? That's the other one. Either way, chat, don't gamble. Just trade Forex. Same thing anyway, right? Nah, cool chat. Yeah, let's get to 100 likes right now. That'd be huge. Try and get to 100 likes if you can. We're trying to wait for this 30-minute candle 30-minute candle closure here, see what happens. If we close below the range, maybe we'll look at getting something. If not, we're going to wait for the 4-hour. So yeah, let's see. But drop a like, drop a sub if you're new. And yeah, that's all I can say. Can we get an onion after this 4-hour if we get a closure above? Yeah, probably. Realistically, yes. I'd like, if that was going to happen, I'd like the 1 hour to close bullish, realistically, but will that happen? I'm not sure. What we can do, if this 4-hour closes above, we'll redo an analysis with different levels, because then the market structure will have shifted a little bit. So we'll do a little mini analysis again, just to refresh it all. We'd need liquidity in a bullish closure, no? Yeah, exactly. What's good, Jar? How are you doing, bro? I'm good. Hopefully you are too. Realistically, I do think this 4-hour close below is the best move. Could be the move, chat. Could be the move. See what happens though. See what happens. Definitely potential for today though, chat. Definitely potential. Need to because realistically, if we start to push up here and make some closures, we've got some clean traffic to the upside now. This is clean traffic here. This is clean traffic here. So we'll see, but it's all about how this 4-hour closes, to be honest. SG, how are the challenge accounts doing? I haven't really traded them, if I'm honest, this week. This week I've only traded my personal account. Reason for that is the only trades I've got are on stream, and I don't really want to be, you know, with the challenge accounts for futures. I have to log in here, and then you guys are gonna see the numbers on screen and shit, and I don't know, I don't really like that. So I mean, I could do that, to be fair, but yeah, we'll see. can remove them. Okay. Now, to be fair, it's not even about the numbers. It's just about the time and everything. But yeah, I'll do that next trade. Why not? Why not? You're looking for buys, right? Nah. If we close below here on the 4 hour, it'll be sells. That could be also now the daily liquidity low. The daily liquidity now, sorry. Yeah, it could be. Could be. But the thing is, bro, a 4 hour close is a very strong confirmation, right? If we close above, then yeah, I'm definitely inclined to think that the you know, the overall direction is going to continue. But if we close above, then yeah, it could be liquidity for sure. Sinha, good, welcome. How to apply for your mentorship? You go to www.wap.com/trendlinesvip. So, wait, let me just send that in. Actually, it's this link here. Chat. So what's happened now is WAP have changed the way they operate, right? So you guys that were saying to me how essentially how the links weren't working or whatever. The thing is, if you click on, oh wait, no, this is not the right link. Well, this is one of the links, right? If you want to get the one-on-one coaching. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, cool. So yeah, essentially now how it works is rather than each site having its own individual you know, page, now all of it's under the Trendlines VIP. So you can literally just do wap.com/Trendlines VIP. It'll take you there, and then you can choose whichever one you want, right? So this is the one-on-one mentorship here. This is my training, like, you know, workout plans. This is the coaching group and signals. So yeah, now it's all in one space, which is way better. Anyway, chat, 30 minutes closing below here. Let's see what happens. See if we can't get a whoa, chat, this is volume's coming in here. But yeah, the issue is we can't really take this on this 30 because we're at a level right now, especially if we close right here. If we close where we are right now, we've tapped into this level where the 30 likes to fake out, so realistically there's not much I can do there. What this does mean though is we've tapped into the area where we thought we could be grabbing liquidity. So unless we close below here on the hang on one sec. Yeah, chat, we can't take this because realistically there's a level here on the 30. So we just tapped into that and we don't have much of an advantage point. So I can't take that. We're gonna have to wait for the 4 hour close, which to be honest is a higher probability confirmation anyway. But if the 4 hour can close below here, grab a top wick and push down, then that's ideal. That's the highest confirmation that we can have. So yeah, that's what we'll look for right now. Volume did just pick up though suddenly, didn't it? That 30 minute just moved like 40 pips whilst we were sat there looking. On the 4 hour, it's clean traffic to 2303. Yeah, it is. Exactly. That's the target, right? The 4 hour has clean traffic all the way down here. I would say till 2306.2. I mean, yeah, probably 2303 is possible, but realistically, not the best. Stops are going to be rather large to the chat, I can't lie. It's going to be big stops if we do get this 4 hour position. Depending on the size of the top wick, we can look to maybe take it on the current candle. So if we make a big top wick, we can put the stops above there. But yeah. Is it true that you really get access to your phone number with the coaching package? Yeah, you do, with the one-on-one one. So like, all of the people who want my one-on-one clients, just, you know, can text me whenever. They text me all the time. That's crazy. Yeah, well, like, if, for example, if people message me, you know, I have people from all around the world, so if people are trading like Asian or whatever and I'm not on Discord, they can just send me a WhatsApp and I'll answer it. Rob Stone, 2 damn phones. Had a buy stop at 2012.5, made a quick 3 pips. Oh, 3 mins, 25 pips, SG. But you said 3 pips there. Nice, bro, good stuff. That was your if that was your entry, then fire. Buy limit though, right? You had a buy limit, surely. Not stops. But yeah, a nice little trade. Your analysis played out, right? You called that out earlier and you took it, so GG's for you. It wasn't in my plan, but GG's. Don't want to be caught in a 4-hour pullback either. Yeah, exactly. Especially if you take this on the 30. Yeah, and then you get the 4-hour pullback. The 4-hour might not even close below, and then you get a top wick as well. So you'd probably be stopped out before. Yeah, it slipped to 2011.6. Wait, what? That's sick. You got a way better entry because it slipped you down. I've never heard of that, getting slipped in the opposite. Yeah, I was going to say, I've never heard of getting slipped to the opposite direction. That's nice, though. That's nice. We take that. We take that. But technically, if you had buy limits or buy or sell limits on news, right? Let's say that, I don't know, we were here and news came out and you thought that we were going to come down and come back up. If you had a buy limit here, it'd probably slip you down to, your entry would be like way below. Then by the time you get back up, you'd be in a big profit. Crazy. But chat, the important thing here right now is, does this 4-hour close below the level? Starting to retrace on the 30. Could it be a 30 top wick, or is it going to be a little fake out on the 30? That's also a very high possibility, right? Because we did the exact same move just here, right? We did the exact same move. We were coming down the whole way. Essentially, this is quite a good mirror. It's actually pretty damn similar so far. Yeah, so not bad. So yeah, if we get a fake out here, we can look to take buys. But it's just whether or not we do. But we did fake out at this exact area before, so it's interesting. But yeah, the 4-hour, if we close below, essentially what I'm trying to say is this all hinges on whether or not the 4-hour closes below or not. Crazy chat. 6.2k individual people watched our stuff on YouTube this week. A lot of people. That's kind of mad. I mean, on Instagram we have 2.2 million this month that have watched us individually, but you know, different growth rates. Previous 4 top wick is very small though. Might need a steep wick on the new candle. Yeah, we're definitely going to need a good liquidity grab here, I think. Obviously, we've never come down here before, right? So we don't know how much of a wick we can look for. We just need a pretty steep wick. But even still, if we get a decent wick, what we can do is we can go BE on the wick fill. That gives us 27 pips. So yeah, we can do that, and then look to take advantage of the push down to 23.06 if that happens. Definitely, yeah, that's definitely possible. But yeah, a nice big top wick would be great. Can't lie. I'll be back in 1 sec, yeah. Yeah, we back. I just saw a comment on one of my posts, yeah, that literally said, basically, someone said trading is gambling, on the post where I asked how you know if someone doesn't trade. Anyway, someone was like, yeah, well, let's say 80% of traders are gambling, and the other 30% are not gambling, and they're informed traders. I was like, bro, what? You're trying to make an argument, but you've just said 110%. People on this on the internet, I don't know. Interesting, to say the least. Chat, we're starting to push down here. The 30 flipped, right? Yeah, decent. Can we get a nice little closure here? That'd be ideal. That would be absolutely ideal. Hopefully we can get that closure, and then yeah, grab a top wick and we'll be good. How long time did it take for you to get profitable? Did you lose a lot? Took me like a year and a bit. Yeah, I'd say. Maybe 8 months, actually. But yeah, I bought a lot of challenges. I bought, like, you're going to lose at the start of the game. It's part of the game, literally, right? You're going to lose some money. I actually never lost money on a live account, though. All of my live accounts I've ever had, some of them I had to withdraw because I needed the money at the time, right? So I had to like close down the account but withdraw the money, but they were all in profit the whole time. Like I never actually blew like a live account, but funded accounts I blew a lot of. It's estimated that current internet traffic is infested with 10 to 30% bots, as in accounts or personas of people that don't exist. Yeah, that's crazy. But why though? That doesn't make much sense to me. What are these bots doing that, like, I know obviously people pay for like likes and comments and shit like that, but other than that, surely it can't be that profitable to just run a bot that then goes and chats shit on the internet. I blew 3 50k accounts, bro. That's nothing. I've probably blown like 10, 12, 15, 100k accounts on Forex as well. Like 3 accounts is good. But realistically, you have to remember that everyone has their own journey, right? It takes longer for some people, short for some people. This is why I don't understand it when people say, like, someone said to me, oh yeah, but you've only been trading for like a year in Forex or a year and a half. I'm like, yeah, well, what? So are you saying it's bad that you became profitable in a short time? Should I have taken longer just to get your like approval? Or what? Should I just wait for another year just to, you know, get someone else's approval? It's stupid, man. Some people could probably hop on the chart and then within 3 months they'd be profitable. Like, some people would be like, SG, why did you take so long? It's easy. There's just people like that, you know? But, I don't know. Just interesting. This is why I say just block out the noise and focus on your own shit, because realistically, none of it helps. None of it helps. Like, people don't expect you to be in the game for as long as them, otherwise you know, you didn't do it right or whatever, but maybe I'm just smarter than you or whatever, you know, like, what? Or maybe I just did it differently, or maybe I got, whatever. Really weird. Really fucking weird. Morning, people. Have a good, profitable week. Remember, today's monthly candle closes. Yes, low life. Good stuff. How you doing? But yeah, you're right. The monthly candle does close today. I'm not sure how much of an impact that's going to have on our trade for the day. Tomorrow it might have more of an impact. We'll need to take a look, but yeah, we're coming down here though. It's interesting. Obviously there's nothing we can look at though. Absolutely nothing. So you can't really predict or make judgment off of where this candle closes. However, you can say that the market has sort of decided that 2400 is a fair value price for gold, or maybe even too high for gold at the minute. That's like the ceiling price, I'd say. Once you're in price discovery, you're essentially relying on the fundamentals of the market and people that are actually buying gold physically to determine whether or not, you know, that price is acceptable. And it appears that 2400 is not an acceptable price at the minute. It might be in a couple of months' time, might be in a month's time, but you know, at the minute it doesn't seem to be acceptable. Joshua Swartz, what's good, bro? Bro, I'm having a terrible trading day, lost every trade. How do you handle bad days? Firstly, you say you lost every trade. Once you lose one trade, you should stop trading for the day. That's how I handle bad days. So, you know, if you take one trade a day, then it's not a bad day. Because you lost one trade, you maybe lost 1%, and that's it. Then you go and, I don't know, take a walk, go to work, whatever it is you do, right? Then you're not having a bad day. And secondly, I would say that you need to make sure that every loss you take is a lesson, right? Yesterday's loss was a lesson for me, in terms of, you know, maybe the only thing we could have done differently was probably bring our stops back up to below the 30 lows here. But at the same time, you know, it is what it is, right? So yeah, you just have to make sure that every loss is a lesson. And yeah, don't let your emotions get in the way. But yeah, you shouldn't be trading multiple times in the day, especially if you take one loss or two losses even. Then you should be done for that day. You just call it a day. Good morning, we are looking for buys or sells. We're looking for sells if this 4-hour closes below. But we have to wait and see how it closes and how it opens. I would do sell it in eurjpy. What do you think about it? I probably wouldn't, bro. I probably wouldn't. I wouldn't trade this range right now, though. You need to wait for it to close above 107, 102, or close below 106.929, maybe. Obviously, that's just a really quick analysis. I haven't really looked at the chart, but that's what I'd say. Do you say your 3 long-term goals and 10 short-term goals out loud every morning? No, I don't, actually. That's a cool thing. Mine are on my window right there. I've written them out. They're on a window. I'm about to knock off one of them at least right now. Well, not right now, but this quarter at least. The next 2 should be knocked off by the end of this quarter, if not next quarter. So yeah, progression. Yeah, if this 4-hour closes no bottom wick, I might call it a day. We'll see though. We'll see. Hopefully we close with a wick. If you lost every trade, that means you did not plan correctly. Yeah, not necessarily. Or yeah, maybe, but it depends. I'd say, you know, the main thing is instilling that trading plan. Trying to take one trade a day. If you take a loss, just, you know, call it a day. At least call it a session. Are you a full-time trader? Yes, that's all I do. I go to the gym as well, but that's about it. One loss, when did that happen? Yesterday, brother. Yesterday we took an L. Took the first L on stream yesterday, unfortunately. But it is what it is. It was about 69 pips, I think. I think I said 67 on stream, but I think I looked in the signals, it was 69. Hopefully you guys don't crucify me over those 2 pips. But yeah, 69 pip loss yesterday. Yeah, it is what it is. What change did you make in your trading to become profitable? I stopped over trading. I traded one trade a day and only perfect setups, and that was it. I understood that patience is the key to the game, right? Essentially, once you start, the key is you need other income. You need to be able to just not make money from trading for a bit. Like, realistically, you need to be able to not make money from trading. So if you break even for 4 months as a trader, part of the game. So as long as you can survive for those months, then you'll be good. Take your time, and then the money will start coming in. So just, you know, don't think about the cash or that stuff, and you'll be chilling. We have 11 minutes to this 4-hour close though, chat. Lock it in here. Begin to lock it in. We're looking for a closure. To be honest, a little pullback right now would be great. A small pullback to maybe 23.13 areas. And then a top wick. once we get that top wick, we can look to take the sells to continue downwards, right? Hopefully we get a big enough top wick where we come up here like this and flip down. If we get a top wick to say around these areas at 23.20, we can use that as the stops. So once it does flip, we'll use that as the stops. But if that's not the case, then it's going to at least need to be, you know, the 4-hour stops, which is going to be quite big, chat. I can't lie. Why is your 4-hour closing in 12 minutes and my trading view shows 1 hour and 12 minutes? Are you trading futures? If you are trading futures, it will show 1 hour and 12 minutes. But the actual spot gold closure is in 10 minutes. I trade AUD daily during the Asian kill zone and easily get my daily target, getting around 1 to 3 risks to reward. Then I am over for the day. Asian kill zone is 5:30 AM to 7:30 AM here in India. Oh, nice, bro. Good stuff. I don't know anything about kill zones, to be honest. Really funny because people ask me about stuff in chat, like related to, I don't know, fair value gap, kill zones, all this shit, and I'm just like, I've got no clue. Absolutely no idea. What is the difference in gold futures? Nothing. You're just trading it on a different platform. Price is still the same. Oh shit! I just deleted that. Oh, that is so annoying. I can't even go back on that. Wow. Nice. Which one is it? Oh, chat. I forgot which one it was. So annoying. Alright, fine, I got it back. Yeah, the only difference is that the 4-hour closures are a bit different, and the prices sometimes are like 100 pips higher, you know? Like, you literally just have to add 10 to the digit, but same structure, right? Exact same structure, you can see it. That's why it's called futures, because they happen an hour after Forex. Yeah. Kill zone is technically overlapping of 2 trade sessions. Ah, I feel you. Okay. Makes sense. Kill zone. No, we only now kill zone the game. Yes, sir. Kill zone on social media. Kill zone the industry, let's say. Let's see though, chat. We've got 8 minutes here to this closure. Oh yeah, thanks, Crypto Maniac. Appreciate it. I think it does it automatically. No, it's a time when both the Sydney and Tokyo sessions are open. Yeah, that's exactly what who said that? That's exactly what someone said. The overlapping of the sessions. Yeah, Creed said that. Actually, do we have a mirror for this move in the past? No, we don't. Not on the 4 at least. I mean, this is the only mirror, but obviously if we came all the way down right now, then we couldn't take anything. But realistically, we're just closing below the range right now for the first time properly. So, you would expect that we have some room to continue down here till 2303, or we can even put this a little bit higher and say 2306. Mr. Trendlines, take a look at Trading View Minds. What is that? What's Trading View Minds? What's your main confluence? Main confluence is this 4-hour close below on the 4-hour, obviously, and the weekly push down. Only issue I'm having here is the daily. So only not worry, but only concern I have is the fact that the daily this could be a liquidity grab on the daily. But obviously, we need to wait for a top wick and a flip. If we get that, then we'll take the trade. If we don't, then we won't. We should load up my MetaTrader just in case. Please don't come over on the screen. There you go. Look at this. That's a tough little loss right there. Just to show you guys, I do actually take the trades in case any of you guys are wondering. Obviously I do. You guys hear the fucking sound as well. Can you check NZD USD for me, please? I will after this 4-hour closure. Press on the news in trading view down right, and then on minds. Where's news? I've never even used any of this. Bro, what? Did not know any of this happened. Bro, you can just see the news on here. What? Crazy. So the next 4-hour top wick could be at 23.19. What's your take on it? Yeah, that'd be a nice area. That would be a very nice area. Tap into this resistance area here. That'd be good. Somewhere around 23.19 would be great. Yeah, you're right. Let's see the chat. 5 minutes to this closure. Bump for Newton. Cool chat, but yeah, we got 5 minutes to this closure. Let's drop a like if you haven't already. Let's try to get to 100 likes right now before this 4-hour close happens. I've been told that if we do get to 100 likes, that Jerome Powell's going to give us a favorable trade. So that's important, right? Appreciate it, chat. We're not very far away, so it's not a big task. Crazy chat. Pretty sure we're going to hit that 2K by the end of today. Still no bottom wick incoming. Yeah, chat, if there's no bottom wick, then it's difficult for us, to say the least. Also starting to fill the range a little bit. We could take this off the 1 hour, actually, and use 1 hour stops. Still 75 pip stops on the 1 hour. Chat, this is the issue right now. So our stop loss is going to be... Well, I'm not taking this, by the way. I won't take a 170 pip stop loss trade. Not worth it for me. Not worth it, personally. Oh my god, we are just pushing here. Wow. What the hell, chat? What the flip? I love that video. Yeah, we'll do some new mods at 2K as well. That's a good point. Uh-oh. Not the man himself. Senor Labine.
Yo,
Welcome.
what's going on?
Dinner, bro, are you?
Yeah, I'm good, man. Shit.
Bro, what is this price action right now?
You know, I've not even had a look at the charts this morning.
Locked in.
Yeah.
Taking your new tropics, eh?
Yeah. They are pretty good. How do you find them?
I think they're good.
What have you like noticed?
No, I don't know. I feel like you have to take them for an extended amount of time for them to work. It's not like an Adderall or some shit, you know. But
Oh yeah, we tried to message in our ads like it's not gonna happen like overnight.
yeah, 100%. Shit,
Because
then.
they're all natural, innit?
Yeah,
It's not any dodgy shit.
no dodgy shit. But yeah, I'll see how they do it. Like, if in a week's time I feel a difference, then sounds good.
Nice.
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 Someone asked, what was your favorite cartoon growing up? Crazy question. I don't even
Probably
know.
regular show.
Huh?
Regular show.
I never watched that ever.
So
I like I was a big Phineas and Ferb fan.
yeah, they're goated.
That was an elite show. I used to watch, I don't know, what else? trying to think. I don't even know.
What else was there?
Ben
Did you ever
10.
watch Ed, Ed, and Eddie?
Ed and Eddie was, yeah, that was alright. I used to
Yeah.
watch that like on fucking whatever, like the old Sky TVs, you know, when you had to go through like, I don't know, bare channels. I used to watch it on that. Axel said, can't lie, Ben 10 went crazy. Yeah, Ben 10 didn't go hard, I can't lie. The old one though, they kind of ruined it, I think. They made it like all properly animated. Go off rip. Nah, no off rip here, victory settings. We're retracing those, which is good. So we got 50 seconds to this closure, chat. Not bad actually. It's a nice little pullback before the close. Below 2313.3 would be ideal. Like if we can close right here. I figure out where I can put you. Yeah. Perfect. Let's see the chat. Let's see what happens here in 20 seconds. Lock it in a little bit. Lock it in a little bit. What we need is we need disclosure around this area. We need a big top wick and then a flip down and we can take that. But it needs to be a decently sized top wick, right? 2318.2, 23.19 area, 2319, sorry, area is looking good. But yeah, that has to happen first. I reckon we're just going to come straight down here, aren't we? That is a strong confirmation closure though, chat. Like, we closed below the range on the 4 hour, which is huge. Question is though, can we push down? If I wanted to take big stops right now, you probably could have gone off the rip. Just because, you know, we've closed below the range, so realistically it has to drive down. But I'm not trying to take massive 200 pip stops or whatever. It's not part of my plan. We have to wait and see here. I'm watching on my broker. It's come down a little bit first, but it hasn't really moved, if I'm honest. We can still come up here, grab a decently sized top wick, and then break that low again. And that'll be an okay position for us. It has to be a decent top wick here. Okay, we're starting to come up here. So, well, that doesn't mean anything yet. We just have to continue to come up, and let's see. On the 30, it closed respecting. I mean, yeah. On the 1 hour, it closed below. And on the 4 hour, most importantly, right? The 4 hours, the biggest part of this play, right? And the 4 hour is going to take control over a 30-minute. Road to 2K, yes, sir. Yes, it's going to push down, but before figuring out, top wick could be between 15 to 19. Yeah, anywhere around 2017 to 2019 areas, I'd be okay with. But if we push and break the lows again, or even, you know, break the previous candle lows, then it gets a little bit tough for me, and that's when you start to think that the session might be a little bit chalked. Because realistically, there's a difference between us right now getting a position, knowing the direction and getting a position. So you can know the direction, you know, or you can think what direction price is going to go, right, and predict that quite accurately. But the difference is getting a decent position with a decent entry, decent stops, and all that stuff, where you're not going to get, you know, caught in a trade for 8 hours or whatever. So realistically, we have to wait for that. Because as we saw yesterday, right, that the main thing is we saw yesterday that you can have the direction right, but if your entry isn't perfect, like we discussed, right, being early is the same as being wrong, and it's very, very true. So like, you know, we were a bit early yesterday and we paid the price for that, which is fine. But yeah, we don't want to do the same here today. Can't even get a sell stop. This top wick is happening so fast. Yeah, bro. Trust me. Way too much volume right now. Way too much volume. This is what will happen though. In about 25 minutes, 30 minutes, it's gonna just... It's just coming in spikes recently. I don't know why. The volume comes in and then dies off straight away. It comes in, then dies off straight away. Really interesting. Should I risk a buy? Gold is still in the channel. That's never a good thing to say, G. Risk a buy. Like, bro. Do you know why you're getting in that position? Are you just trying to catch some money? Like, what is it? Because if you're risking a buy, realistically, you don't know where price is going to go. If it's part of your plan and you believe that, you know, you've got a setup forming, then take the buys, but... Sounds like a strong confirmation to me. Yeah, trust me. Trust me. 2K, we pop in a bottle, question mark. I do have a really expensive bottle of champagne in this my cupboard here, but I'm not popping it for 2K. I also don't really drink, so I'm not gonna pop it. Firstly, yeah, we can do, but it's 10 AM and I don't drink. I'll pop it and then just it'll sit there. 2K is crazy though, guys. Like realistically, that's a big amount of subs, especially since we've only been on YouTube for about what three months, something like that. So it's huge. Absolutely
Yeah,
huge.
so
Appreciate it, broski. To run it up to 10K now, though. At least.
yeah, exactly.
It's exponential growth at that point, isn't it?
Yeah, and the beam bath.
Beam bath, bro.
Yeah.
I might have to back out of the beam bath, guys.
What?
I'm shaking. It has to be by the end of the year, and I'll run a little beam bath. But
That's easy.
10K by the end of the year actually is really easy as well. That's the thing. Like, at this rate of growth, we'll hit 10K by the end of the year. So, real talk, guys. You might see me getting a bath of baked beans. I don't know what my neighbors are gonna think. My neighbors just look out their window and just see me in a baked bean bath. It's crazy. I'm a little bit scared for that, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little bit scared. £3 a tin. How many tins does it take to fill a bath, Eugene?
It's normally 32 tins.
How does Bro know that?
Not exact.
Bean bath man himself.
Take them every day.
Good for the skin, apparently.
Yeah, it's great.
But it's terrible for your skin. Can't lie. I bet it's not ideal. Can't be as bad as when TJ lost that bet. Yeah, that was worse, to be fair. That was a crazy bet. You got to rate him for doing that, but yeah.
Oh, when he wore the makeup.
The emo makeup, yeah. That was crazy. What were we on then? We were on like probably on like 300 subs or something.
Yeah, that was early.
Yeah, it was early. Nice. Nice. Yeah, chat, what I can see here is, I don't know, obviously the volume's just died off. So, we either are going to flip here and drive down with, like, just trickle down, or when the volume, okay, there you go, we flipped. Or we're going to start to close back above and sort of mirror this move here to the left-hand side. But we have to wait and see on that one. Yeah, £3 a tin. I didn't even think about that. It's going to take a lot of tins, you know. Might have to go to, I'm going to have to go to like Costco or wherever it is and get You know, those big tubs that the restaurants use. That's a shout. I'll get like 4 of them. Should be enough. Should be enough. But yeah. Beans in bulk. Check at 30 minute. What's good, Titus? By the way, that's a sick name. Titus, that's a crazy name. Yeah, 30-minute close respecting. No, I understand that. But we 4-hour close below, right? That's the most important part of this. Let's see, chat. I'm gonna wait for one more 30-minute closure. If the volume's dead, then we might call it. But we have to wait and see here. Hopefully the volume can start to pick up. Actually, we can wait till 11. Why not? Why not? Play a little bit of pixel letters at the end. As always, chat, everyone's favorite game. Crazy though. Up to the till. Why is this guy buying 50 tins of beans? Yeah. Don't ask. I'm gonna have to say. Don't ask questions you don't want an answer to. It's good, Mark. How we doing? Did you get anything? Yeah, we caught 600 pips whilst you were gone, bro. You shouldn't have left. Shouldn't have left, man. Really tough. But yeah, we caught 600 pips. We're calling it a day for. We're calling it a year actually. Nah, we caught nothing, G. Got nothing. Not really. There's not really been any entries. We're waiting for this 4-hour because it's closed below, so we can come up here and then end up flipping on this 4. That'd be ideal. We are coming up here, which is decent. To be honest, if we had no bottom wick here, I'd be looking at taking a sell stop if we touch this level. But we need to come up a little bit further now that we made a bottom wick first. Because essentially that is now a mirror of this move, right? If we start to come up, we're looking at you know, yeah, essentially a pretty clean mirror of this move here. Kind of annoyed because I would have hit TP, but it is what it is. Nah, bro, you're chilling. You got a win, right? 20. What'd you get? 15, 20 pips, something like that. That's a dub. Take it, call it a day. Think about this, right? Once you've got a lot of capital, that 15 pips is gonna be hit for your day. Like you're gonna be happy. Think about it. Like realistically, if you get to the point where you're popping 2 lots on a personal account, you know, 15 pips just made you 300 pounds or $300 for the day. So, bro, $300 a day, I'd take any day. Now, brother, 28 pip is the goal. There's no goal. There's no goal. But yeah, realistically, guys, like the end goal is just to scale your capital to the point where 10 pips is good or 20 pips is good. That's why I never understood when people were like saying to Don, you only catch 10 pips. Like, bro, I understand the RR aspect with the big stops, but this guy's making 3 grand a day off 10 pips. I'm taking that any day. Any day of the week. So, yeah. Realistically, yeah, if you get to the point where even if you're popping a 1 lot like on a personal account, then you're chilling. 10 pips is $100 for doing pretty much nothing. 20 pips, you get $200 a day for not much. 20 pips a day is not difficult. Obviously, there are some losses sprinkled in there, and you shouldn't target 20 pips a day. I'm not saying that at all, but yeah, realistically, it's not the hardest thing. There's a lot of range coming down here, chat. The only thing is I just don't like how we made that bottom wick first. Almost an exact mirror of this move. Almost an exact mirror. So I don't want to get caught in that again. Alright, bro. Gonna go play some RL. Don't want to look at charts anymore because I'll end up in a position. Yeah, all good. Go play some Rocket League, bro. It's a fire game. We need to come up here though, chat. I can't lie. We need to come up a little bit more. Otherwise, there's not much I can do. The volume has just seemed to die off. Also getting hungry. I want to go get some food before I hit this bench. It might be pixel time, chat. I can't lie. eurjpy pumping. Let's take a look. Oh, jeez, it is. Yeah, there was news, right? There was news, so that's probably why. No bottom wick either. Unreal. I marked this range up ages ago on NAS, I'm pretty sure. That's really interesting. On futures, there's no bottom wick on this candle. It's because it gapped down a little bit. How long do you think a challenge will take? It takes as long as it takes, bro. As long as it takes. Can't really predict it. Yeah, it looks like pixel letters pattern. Yeah, it might be, chat. I can't lie. I want to see what this 30 does, because if this 30 comes up and closes bullish, then we'll look to then we'll probably call it. I can't lie. And then I'll wait for, in New York, I'll be waiting for a closure back above this level here. We'll be expecting that to be the daily liquidity grab. That's what I'll be looking for. But yeah, we have to wait. We have to wait right now. We've got 14 minutes. We don't, like, you know, if we don't do anything in that 14 minutes, then we'll play pixel letters and we'll call it a day. But yeah. Cool. Yeah, I don't know how long a challenge takes personally. It just depends. If you do want to get a challenge though, guys, Alpha Capital Group code SG is going to get you 20% off. Got me the smoothest plug. Smoothest plug in the world. But now, realistically, that's the link. Yeah, but in the industry, you hear a lot of people that say you have to do it in a month or maybe 2. Nah, bro. Don't listen to the industry, Dan. Do not listen to the industry. These people that you see that are getting accounts, Huss tweeted about this the other day as well, and he was right. Like, I think he put it in his Telegram, I can't remember, but he was right. The people that you see with like 10, 20k payouts, or even like big payouts, they've spent like, you know, 25k on the challenges. They full margin them, then they get a payout, and now they're some next GOAT trader. It's like, bro, you couldn't do that on a live account because you can't set up 10, 100k live accounts. You know, you just got to take your time. It's not necessarily fake. Like, they still have the challenges, right? And they still do get the payouts, but you know what I mean? Like, they approach it differently to you guys, like, and to me and everyone. Like, I'm trying to pass a challenge properly, not full margin them, because yeah, realistically, I could go and buy 10 challenges right now. It's gonna cost me like 10k. But if I do that, then what am I teaching you guys? Like, you know? But yeah, you're bound to pass. If you buy 10 challenges, you're bound to pass at least one, and then you just get a payout, and it's easy. But I don't want to do that. I don't want to just buy a shitload of challenges full margin and then not, you know. I don't know. But
yeah, I've had 50k for like 6 months now.
Yeah, bro. Trust me, I had a 50k before with TFT for like, yeah, 6, 7, 8 months, something like that. It's chilling. Like, obviously, then they went down, so not ideal. But yeah, you got so much time, bro.
Exactly. Now that there's no time limits and all that as well, just take it easy. Once you pass one, then you can scale. But like,
yeah,
you need to know you can pass one first, right?
You gotta pass it properly. Yeah, exactly. I want to get good at trading, not good at looking like I'm a trader, bro. Yeah, 100%, Axel. 100%. That's the thing as well. Like, there's a load of these guys that are big funded traders, and they say how sick they are and everything. And then you see them try and like prove it on a live account, and they start deleting their MyFX book. They start taking down all their posts about, you know, running up a live account because suddenly they can't do it on live. Funny, right? It's funny. But yeah. Yeah, it is what it is. See, chat, look how we're mirroring this move right now. It's a pretty strong mirror. Let's see, maybe if we close above this level. Oh, I don't know, I can't do that. I was looking to anticipate this drive up, like, you know, with the 1 hour as it is. If we close above, but then realistically, you still can't take it because the 4 hour closed so heavily below. It's not ideal for me. Yeah, I remember my first few fundeds, you had 1 month to pass it just forced you to blow it. Yeah, bro, 100%. It literally just forced you to full margin it. But to be fair, they had that rule where, like, as long as you were in profit, you got 1 free retry. Which I mean was okay, but still not worth it. Yeah, it's tough. Cool chat though. We got how long do we have here? We got 10 minutes to this 30-minute closure. Let's see what it does here. If it closes back above, I'll probably call it a day. I'll call it a session, sorry, on stream. If we start to, I don't know, push up and then begin to flip down, then we'll look at taking some sales. And if we get a strong 1 hour closure, maybe above 23.18, then we'll look for those buys. Yeah, interesting. There's a lot of potential here. Just we need to pick a clear direction right now because at the minute there's not much volume, not much direction, and yeah. Just join the live. Any trades taken? No, nothing yet. Nothing yet. If there was any trades taken, you'd see down here, like in the trades taken bit, you'd see a, you know, trade. But yeah. Cool. Chat, yeah, I won't be streaming on Friday this week. I'll be streaming on Thursday, but not on Friday, purely because I'll be in a different country, right? But Thursday will be fine. I think Friday as well. I'll still be trading, right? I'll send my trades will still get sent into the signals channel. Just whether or not yeah, whether or not we get anything on that Friday, because isn't there a lot of news or something? I swear there's still, yeah, there's a employment change, unemployment rate, yeah, PMI as well. There's a lot of news this week. A lot of news this week. Are you back on Monday, brother? Yes, sir. I'll be back by Monday, 100%. Are you here with FOMC tomorrow? Yeah, I'll stream FOMC tomorrow night. Why not? That could be quite fun. Could be quite fun. I'll stream FOMC. 30-minute is pushing here, so this looks a bit like we're forming this mirror. They say trading is 80% weighting, but it's more like 99% weighting. Yeah, 100% it is. If you think about it, if you calculate how much time you're in a trade versus how much time you're waiting for a trade, it probably is like 99% there, at least. Well, I can't say at least; it can't be any more. But you know, it's very much a waiting game. 30's pushing here, chat. Let's see what we do. Let's see what we do, because I am very certain that we start to mirror this move upwards. But the difference this time is with these moves before, the 4 hour hadn't closed below this level, and now it has. So that's the only thing at the minute that's stopping me from taking it. Stops are quite small as well. Looks good though, chat. It looks good. Maybe we'll stay on a little bit longer. There's some potential coming here. Might be the 1 hour close though, because the 30 at any given point could just be a fake out here. So we might have to look for the 1 hour close. It's a decent top wick here, I can't lie. This is sort of the area we were looking for. I mean, a little bit higher, 23.18 was around the area we were looking for. So either we start to close above on the 1 hour and get a bottom wick and push up, or if we don't close above on the 1 hour and we start to flip down, we can look at taking the sells. That makes sense, chat? Anticipating a push upwards or downwards, obviously. My bad, I was right about the buy. Were you right, or did it just, like, you know, is it just a 50-50 guess? Nah, if you were right and it was part of your analysis and there was reason behind your decision, then take the trade, obviously. But if you you just guessed it because you thought we'd come down quite far and we need to come back up at some point, then it's not really trading. You know? I look for buys or sell. I just said that, right? It depends on what happens here. Depends on what happens here. Especially if this 30 closes respecting. 100%, let's wait for the perfect setup. Yeah, you're right, bro. There should be clean traffic down here now. Current candle stops is 52 pips. Previous 1 hour stops is also, like, yeah, 65 pips, something like that. 4 hour stops is going to be like way over 100 and something pips, so that might be a little bit too much. Yeah, 150 pips. I don't want to do that personally. Cool, chat. So this 30 minutes going to close in around 4 minutes here. I'm interested to see what happens. I'm not going to play sell stops or anything, but if we get closer to the flip, then we might. There's volume and everything coming in. I don't know if the daily... Yeah, that's the only issue for me is the daily right now. The only thing stopping me from taking these sells is that daily time frame. Because I'm not saying it will flip, but at this point we've come all the way down. Not really any top wick into the liquidity area. So yeah, we'll have to see. Three minutes to 30 close, chat. 3 minutes. I'm excited for a bench day though, chat. I can't lie. I'm gonna film it. You guys will see it soon. Do another little. We've been doing mic'd up gym sessions recently. I popped this the DJI mic, you know, like this one that you see in every single workout video. It's sick. I can't lie. So I'll just be there like working out. You guys will hear me Sam Sulek style, just pumping away. 30 seconds, chat. Oh no, sorry. 2 minutes. I don't know why I said 30 seconds there. 2 minutes to this 30-minute closure. Maybe that's what I was trying to say. Again, volume's doing that sort of wavy thing, right, where it picks up and dies off, very, very sharply. Obviously, volume always comes in waves, right? That's like standard, but at the minute they seem to be very sharp and short waves of volume, almost like little bursts. But yeah, we'll see what happens here. wonder if you had a volume indicator, what you'd see if that actually shows up. Yeah, kind of, right? See, like it bursts for a bit and then drops and then bursts and drops. This is normal, but yeah. Volume indicator's shit anyway, chat. Don't use it. Have a feeling it's waiting for news. Yeah, you might be right, Badge. You might be right. That's definitely a possibility, right? Definitely a possibility. But realistically, if this 4-hour flips, I don't see a reason why it wouldn't drive down. At least to fill that wick. Like, why would it not do that? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if we get some closures here. If we close like this on the 30 just now and come down first and then flip, I can't take that trade, but we will probably call it a day for that one on pixel letters. We'll get on pixel letters, sorry, because that will mean that even if we come down, I'm not going to be able to take... Oh, crazy. I'm not going to be able to take this sell if this next 30 has no top wick, because then it could flip at any given point. My alert just went off. What alert? The pixel letters alert. Yeah, I got you, I got you. Yeah, it came down no top wick here. A little bit concerning for me. I mean, it could flip and everything, but I'd rather just wait, chat. Because if you get in this trade right now with a no top wick on the 30, you're always going to be thinking it's going to reflip. What's good, Josh? How we doing, bro? What's good, what's good, what's good? Yeah, let's play some pixel letters. Why not? We'll call it here. If I get any trades, they'll be sent in the Discord. Chat, make sure you jump in the Discord if you haven't already. And if you want to get this, you know, be in the signals group and in the coaching call group, then send both of those links down below. But yeah, other than that, chat, we'll play some pixel letters and then we'll call it for today. I need to get some food and I need to go train. Yeah, lock it in here, chat. Lock it in. Everyone's favorite part. Time to shine. But Beans was low-key killing it yesterday.
Yeah, wasn't it?
Clapped off. We're getting a spike in viewers just as the pixel letters comes in. That's crazy. What's good, Nicola? How we doing? How you doing, man? Not a word. What are we looking at here, chat? What are we looking at? What's the word? Bro, I have no clue at this stage. I can always get it like when we've got one, like a little bit more, but
Grain.
Rain. Good ass guess. Crazy.
Oh,
Red's killed it. He's just come on to clutch up real quick.
come on.
GG's.
That was easy.
The bang, I guess. Yeah, that was. Jeez, Mr. Eugene with the clutch. We take it, we take it. Reload the beans. Oh,
Reload it.
not hitting today. Out the
Nah.
gate, victory setting says, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not a word. I don't know what we're looking at here, chat. Bro's getting cool. Anger? Can't be. Can be anger. Anger's not a bad guess, nor is flower. So, two guesses. Beyond and Josh right now. What are we saying? Oh. Don't even chat to me. Killing it, chat. Killing it. Big dubs. Big dubs so far, chat. Final one. The final beans of the day. What's it saying? What's it saying? What's it saying? Chat, what are we looking at here? One more game and then we'll call it. Yeah, see, chat, it did exactly what I said, right? I feel like this is going to push up, but there's no trade here right now. It's pretty much a strong mirror of this move. Anyway. Can't be that. You cannot. I don't know the word. Any guesses, chat? Any guesses? I've got niche clue. Absolutely niche.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Nah, can't be an N.
Oh yeah, it can't be an N at the end. That's not a bad guess though. Can't be. Can it be that? No, it can't. Point? It can't be point because of the red dots up here. But like, you see there's pixels in the letter P there. It can't be that. Fortunately. And there's also an E here.
Oh, I was gonna say hench.
Oh, that's not a bad guess. It's close though.
Can't be a H at the end.
Hence?
Maybe.
Oh. We'll take it. There's an E at the end. What we
No
look?
H.
No H at the start, yeah. The fourth letter has 2 dots in the second row, so that's like a what is that?
A U.
A U? Yeah, it could be a U. Oh,
Well,
is it? Wait, what'd you say?
No. It's
It
either. No.
can't be an N in the middle, but I'm thinking something like that. What are we looking at here? Finish off strong. Yeah.
I need to type it out.
Could be a G as well. It could be a G at the end on the fourth letter. Verse? Oh, that's a guess from Josh. Close, you know. Shit, we've got one guess left, chat. Is it this? It's gotta be that, isn't it? Who's that? What's this guy showing? It's gotta be merge, I think. Yeah, it's gotta be merge. Killed it, chat. Killed it. That's why you all come to stream, to see that. Mr. West. Oh. I see it. I see it. Good, Mr. West. Alright, fire, chat. That's gonna be it for the day. This is gonna mirror this move up. Mark my words, yeah. Mark my words. We're gonna push up here from this point onwards. That's not a signal though, chat. There's no entry for me. So there's no signal. And if we don't, then whatever. But yeah, cool. Eugene and the rest of the Zoom. I'll catch you all later.
See you in a bit.
Peace out, peace out.
Peace.
Cool, chat. That was the day today. No trade, but W value, W stream, as Spion says, always. Appreciate it. Yeah, big value there, chat. Leave a like if you haven't already. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're coming up on 2K subs. If we hit it by midnight tonight, I will give away some funded accounts. So if we hit 2K by midnight tonight, I'll give away some funded accounts. And yeah, other than that, make sure if you're trading New York session, you stay careful. There's a lot of news coming later at 3 p.m.-ish. So be careful about that. And then, yeah, other than that, guys, thank you for pulling up again. Thanks for the support. Join the Discord if you haven't already. Make sure you're in there. And yeah, I will catch you at the same time tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. UK time. Peace out. Much love.